What's happening, everybody? Today we're in beautiful Surfside Beach to bring you an April update of the Surfside Beach Pier. Let's go take a look. So it looks like they moved the barricades back a little bit so people can, I think, get through here, possibly park at River City, or maybe just to get through. So the last time we were here, they didn't have this structure up here, the wooden structure at the top. Let's see if we can get around this drainage. I'm on the sand, I gotta take off my shoes so I can walk better. They said this thing's gonna be ready this year sometime, but they better get going. It's already April. I doubt they'll make that deadline, but they might. Currently working on it right now. Tide looks like it's going out. See if we can get on the other side. So look at the steps that go up to the pier. So here's a south side look of the pier. Take my shoes off again so I can walk on that sand. They've got a lot of windows and door openings on that building, so I'm sure it's going to be restaurant, fish and tackle, all kind of things. We'll see. There's people out here fishing. It's still a little chilly. Beginning of April. With the tide being so high, I can't get up close to the beams as I have before. Because that water is chilly. Chilly, chilly. Uh-oh, break time's over. We're getting back to work. And this big boy right here was moving a while ago before we got here, or on the way here. We could see it in the distance. They must all be at lunch, or most of them at lunch. All right, this concludes the update of the Surfside Beach Pier for April. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, keep beaching.